Fuck it, it's good enough.
I don't know. Well, we're getting closer. We got that stuff in. That's all kind of in-ish. And now Rob is trying to punch some holes through the Tesla. And we're gonna get that back in that little spot. It's good because we got to redo everything because Rob was so excited to use the wall. He was just like, no planning, just send it. Look at how happy he is. I know that he's not smiling, but he's smiling on the inside. This is good. We've given up on using the blocks that we have been using to space out the body on the forks. And it makes that sound now.
Alright, I think we should go back to the blocks.
That sounded like sheet metal. That has a hole in it now. This is a Fred Flintstone mobile. Alright, well, I guess we'll shove some blocks under there. I'm curious how that looks now. Let's take a peek. Okay. So this is good. So we got a nice little dent in the floor now. Was it this block that was in the way? Because it's not doing anything anyways. Let's just pull that out of there. Try again. All right, let's see what happens now. Ooh, that's better. All right. Now it's just making like slight crunching sounds. Get these blocks out of the way. Get those over here. Ish somewhere. Don't know. It's good because the huge rainstorm is rolling in now. Ugh. So, good product planning. All right, bring it in.
Alright, start turning that. Yeah, perfect. Keep coming.
Watch those doors. Those are the only thing worth money on this car. That's probably good. Pretty close to the correct placement. My life is a series of moving cinder blocks today. Oh, God. That one's probably gonna be pretty cattywampus. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's mint. It's mint if you squint. Perfect. Look at the clearance. This is what we're working with now. That's not too bad. So we got battery, rear subframe drive unit, car, pallets of parts. Those doors are going away today, front drive unit, things I don't know what they do. And Mike's gonna move the trailer back in. That's it for today, folks. We're done. Welcome to the glove factory. Look at this fitment, folks. Mike's just an absolute G at everything he does. Like how? Rob, wait until you see the absolute fitment. I didn't realize we were running a glove factory in here.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Mike just showing us up every time we're here.
Hope no one wants that wheel.
Yeah. That was just like, I don't really know how to explain to you what you're trying to do, but get really close to the Tesla's wheel. And he just took one look at it, he hopped in the truck, okay, I got it. And then he's just like, blop.
What an animal.
Yep.
Nice work, Mike.
Yep, so that's done. We got our little space now.
Yeah, and it's cozy in here. We beat the rain and everything.
Yep.
We're not even soaking wet.
Yep. Well, luckily the shell's kind of going away soon, right?
Yeah.
And then we've got that whole area
Yeah.
to like traipse around.
And we'll plop a wagon in here.
Yeah, someday.
So we had a change of plans. As you can see, we didn't plop the wagon there. I guess it's time for a recap. It's been several months since the last video, and this is why. Mandy and I moved into this house, and it's a brand new build, and it's taken a lot of setup. And then we had to move the car and all the parts here. I had to finish parting out the Tesla, selling off a bunch of stuff, and yeah, it's just been a whole thing. But the project is not stopping. It just had a pause. But as you can see, I have made a lot of progress. So, there's definitely more to come. And the rest of this video is just going to be us moving the Tesla parts into this space, which happened sometime after we moved all of our regular belongings into this space. And sometime before the engine and transmission came out of this, which will probably be in the next video. I don't really know yet. But anyways, watch the rest of this video first. And then subscribe if you want to see the rest of this project.
It's been a while, but we're back. Today is a big day because we are moving Tesla parts. I gotta hook up the trailer right now. We're gonna be taking these parts from this undisclosed location to yet another undisclosed location. I got this pintle here, I gotta move the van real. It's never easy, is it? We're not down on the ball yet, but whoever parked this had a taller vehicle. So this is as far down as I can go with the tongue jack. But we're not on the ball. But I can't bring it down anymore. Pulled the pin out, used the van jack. Now we're coming down onto the ball.
How do you feel about our ratchet straps?
Well, I didn't record that video,
Cool.
apparently.
Neat.
We have to remember to hook up the safety chains.
Yep. But I mean,
But I think the straps are good.
yeah.
You can tell by the tone of the guitar string here.
That's bass. That's also bass. There's the treble. Oh yeah. Well, at least you didn't do the time lapse.
It's not going anywhere.
No, it's not.
This is how tight it is though, so we're
Oh.
good.
Yep. Oh, I guess we don't need that radiator.
Nope.
Oh well.
Oh, we're all strapped down. Think I screwed up recording the time lapse, but everything's nice and nice, and we're gonna hit the road.
Yeah, there is a problem though that I'm just realizing.
Okay.
This is only 1 ton when it's fully retracted.
Yeah, I know. It's fine. We're both gonna stand on the back of it.
Okay. Who's gonna drive? I feel like we should try to get the battery pack onto
Off.
the dollies
Just
first.
to make sure it's even possible.
Right. Because otherwise I'm just gonna have to drive it back to the yard and unload it. I feel like worst case scenario, we'll just fucking E-man it. Like if we can each lift 600 pounds.
Yeah. Sure.
So yeah. It'll be fine.
Do we want to do a second beer before we attempt any of this?
You can. I'm still on my first one.
It can be a party.
If you guys ever need good beer, go to this place in Orlando.
Technically, it's in Baldwin Park.
Tactical, you should sponsor this video.
Dude, if we get a tactical beer sponsorship, we would get nothing done.
Yeah, we wouldn't make any more videos.
And in this video, we're drunk.
Well, at least it's hot out.
Yeah,
Beer's cold.
yeah, well, we got beer, so we're good.
So you would think that I've spent all of this time researching how to do this conversion.
I would think that,
Maybe.
or the audience. Would
They
think
might
that.
think that.
Well, stick around.
They don't know how long it's been,
Yeah.
but it's been a while.
It's been as long as since the last video,
Yeah,
at least.
probably longer than that. Because I'm not editing this yet.
I've done a lot of research too.
This counts as research.
I bought an actual EV
Hmm.
to see what it was like.
Yeah, you just plug it in.
Yeah, like actual market research. So far, it's pretty good. Jetty and I actually did the numbers on it, and it's already saved us $1,200 in gas.
What's the worst part about owning an EV? Telling your parents you're gay?
So I know I'm married to a woman, but it's all been a lie.
Correct. She's just a beard.
She actually has a really big hee-haw.
A hee-haw.
This is a family-friendly channel, okay?
I want to edit the donkey sound in there. That's really big. That should be the censor sound effect.
You just put a donkey right over my mouth. Oh man. It's really hot, by the way, so...
Some guys love a chick with a huge, gigantic...
Speaking of inappropriate jokes, the Gulu that I bought is not as good as the one that you have. I bought my Gulu because I was too cheap to buy an actual battery for my ride-on lawnmower because it cost $10 less than buying a Gulu. And then now I have a Gulu that I can theoretically start other things with. So that's what I start with my ride-on mower with now. I mean, I do a lot of junk, man.
Remember when we picked this up and we just straight up drove it on the Gulu for like a day or two?
It was the battery. Oh, yeah, so I don't know. We'll see. It started dude, when I put that thing on the ride-on mower, it was like I put a supercharger on the fucking thing. It was just like, whap!
That's awesome.
Right to life.
Nice.
It was crazy.
Gulu should sponsor us too.
Yeah.
I feel like
Google really should sponsor us.
there's a lot of stuff that's on Amazon that I will tell you straight up is like Chinesium like junk.
Yeah,
and
that's
it's
not
like
one of them.
sometimes it's like the Chinese brand is like fine because it doesn't really need to do a good job.
Yeah, it's a lithium-ion battery pack.
But
they're
like-
all made in China.
Yeah, but like that thing is actually legit. It's like well made. I'm not ready to unload that battery yet.
No, I feel like I still don't know exactly how I want to do it. I have like a few ideas, and they're all bad. So
For those of you that don't know what the fuck we're talking about, this is a Gulu.
we have like 7 videos. They should probably remember this.
Yeah, but we have like 7 subscribers. GT4000S. This thing is sick. If you need to jumpstart anything, this will literally do it. You literally just hook up the battery and you hit power, and then you hit your key, and the thing will fire up. And if that doesn't work, there's something else very wrong with your car.
But I found out about that from Project Farm, and
Yeah.
I do test things like to an insane level.
Project Farms should sponsor this video.
He actually doesn't have any sponsors, so I don't think he will then sponsor us. It would go
No,
against the brand.
If you don't have sponsors, then you are a sponsor. That's how it works.
There's only 2 people in this world. People that have and people that are sponsors. I've got ideas. I never said they were good. Alright, let's get Rob on this camera. Oh, there we go. I got it all set up. We're still recording.
So I wonder if this strap is long enough to go from...
I want to go under and then...
Yeah, so hook over there, under this way, and then maybe we could put like a bolt to hold it, and bolt like this to spread it, just come around.
Oh, just use the one strap. You come back and then come off the strap itself.
Yeah, or even just go like one loop end here. But that fucking spider.
Oh, he's kind of under the battery pack now. We'll probably find out.
You think that thing will go this high?
No.
Okay.
Well, at least you're confident. I think this is the point where we need to
Reassess our whole plan.
No. Hell no. That's a lot of work. You just dump it on the fucking grass.
Well, no, but maybe. Before that, though, we should also see where the end of my beer is.
Yeah, that's a good point, actually. I feel like we're losing steam on brain power because we're not having beers.
We're also losing brain on steam power.
Do you think instead of using that yellow strap, if we this is like shorter.
Yeah, maybe just one of those?
Yeah, you know what, we have options here. We're not using it. See, as soon as I touched the beer, my brain fully reactivated. That is crazy, folks. Oh no.
Oh, no.
Can a hobo crane lift a trailer? Folks, these are questions you never knew you needed answers to, but if you stick around long enough...
You could be an idiot too.
Was this a one-time use deal? I've never had this happen before. doing a little assistance here. There we go. We got it.
Yeah?
It was just too low.
Oh.
I'm admitting defeat. My idea was sound.
Yeah.
His tools were not. Or some shit?
Probably. I haven't investigated it.
I feel like we don't even need to put a jack stand under here. Look at that jack stand placement, dude. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is probably going to take a while. So you're going into time lapse, which won't record.
No, I'm just gonna leave it recording and I'll make it fast in post.
I don't need to know that. Dude, the spider's over there somewhere.
Whatever.
Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Alright, well.
You know what I mean? Wow!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Holy shit, though.
Lost the strength.
What the fuck? That could have been so bad!
Wow, well.
You didn't even run over my toes.
I don't know how that didn't go horribly wrong.
Alright, so maybe we do that a little bit better.
I mean,
Also, look, we're right at this point.
yeah, I know. That was literally the second the tension came off of the thing, it just exploded.
Remember when I was hooking it up and I was like, maybe, probably.
Oh, wait, that's way better.
In my defense, it wasn't anywhere nearby.
Imagine if we just had something that would make this maybe a little safer.
No one's even slowed down.
No.
They're just like, this is normal.
They're like, oh, it's Sunday.
Yeah. These people are just getting their Tesla battery into their garage today.
No.
You should call oh shit.
What are your thoughts right now? You want me to bring it back down?
The other beers are probably pretty cold. That's one of my thoughts.
Man, I'm gonna bring it back down. I feel like this is gonna be real sketch. Alright, we're back. Take 4,000. Oh, this is like the point of no return. Oh yeah, one of us is gonna bring the thing down. Ready?
No.
What if we put the styrofoam blocks on the things?
That's a good idea. Sorry.
Mandy hates styrofoam.
God.
Ready?
Yeah.
Don't you need help?
Alright, can we...
I'm just gonna push it forward.
Got it?
We lined up? Yep. Holy shit. Bro. Wow. Oh.
This is where it lives now.
Woo! Can't believe that worked.
Knowing what you know now, would you do this again?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I would do it the same way because it worked out perfect.
Are those glasses ANSI rated?
They actually are. Heatwave, shout out. They should probably sponsor our videos. These are Z87 Plus.
Where is this thing gonna go?
Look at these bad boys. We haven't determined where it's gonna go yet.
Maybe Steve should live out. Oh wait, is Steve non-mobile right
Maybe
now?
you should live outside.
Steve's mobile.
Steve is an automobile, actually.
Well, I thought he was
But
like
apparently not a shitbox.
No.
No.
That's the shit box.
Correct.
Yeah.
Which
the
car got you there every single time?
Yep. The jelly bean did not.
I just couldn't use the stereo or the heat because it smelled like it was burning.
Yeah,
But
but
it got you there.
that's all optional equipment.
Yeah. That shit's like ancillary.
Going down the road, turning and stopping is the only mandatory equipment, technically. All right.
Stop, just fine.
So, want to get this thing put away now?
I guess.
All right, bye, folks. Well, folks, that was a day in the life of two idiots. You did this to yourselves. You have no one else to blame. But you should still subscribe because there'll be plenty more of the stupidity, we promise.